So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the domain from Godaddy to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your Godaddy account. So just type in Godaddy. On there you can see Godaddy official site as sponsored content. You can also scroll down to here to find domain names and stuff like that. If you're not automatically signed in, I suggest you do that. After that, you will see your projects and you can see the option for your domain. So on there, you can search for domain names and you can see the domain that you've added to your specific website or project. And you can go ahead and click on export on there. Once you've finished with that, exit Godaddy. You will need to go to this left side, go to settings. On the settings page, you can see general plan, billing, users, payment, and you can see the option domains. Click on that. So on here, you can see connect is existing, buy new. You can see your own domain right here. So if you want to connect your existing domain with GoDaddy domain that you've already created, go to connect existing domain and just type in the domain you received on GoDaddy. Once you've done that, you can see these two options. Click on next and you'll be redirected to the page which will be used for either connected domains or to add your new domain for your own store on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.